Hi, welcome to the demo of Upscaler app. Upscaler is a channel sales enablement app in which the two primary stakeholders are company, for example, any insurance company. Let's take an example here of Max Bupa Health Insurance. And a distributor is someone who sells product of the third party, for example, HDFC Bank, which deals with multiple insurance companies under the domain of bank assurance to sell their product. Now, here I will log in as one of the bank employee and show you how the bank employee communicates with the company employee using the app, how easy it is for him to do the daily operations with the help of this app. I will enter my number, my registered email ID. It's a restricted app, so only the assigned users can log in into the app. OTP will be sent to me. I've received an OTP. It's 506392. 506392. I'll click on submit. Yeah, now the app has opened. Now, since I'm an employee of the distributor that is an HDFC Bank, I can see all my partners' current campaigns. Like this is the campaign of Aditya Birla, Argo, AXA, Max Bupa. If I click on any one of the campaign, let's say of Bajaj, I'll get the basic details about the campaign, what is there in the campaign. So I can read it. Post campaign, the product company can ask the employee of the distributor company to provide a feedback in the form of survey. So now I will participate in the survey. The survey can have n number of questions based on the campaign run by the company. Yes, it was helpful. So I'll submit my answers and click on next. Thank you for your valuable feedback. In this way, you can reach out to the employees of your distributor directly on any campaign and get a right feedback which you can take an action on. The next very important part of the application is the product know-how. Here, since HDFC Bank is partnered with 6 insurance companies, we have listed down the categories of insurance they work in. Let's say if I click on health, I get all the health insurance subcategories available under health, like personal accident, health insurance, critical illness, hospital cash, and others. Similarly, if I go in travel, I'll get things about the travel. Let's say I click on health and I click on health insurance. Now, these are the 6 companies who are offering health insurance. So, if I click on Bajaj again, now this is the product of Bajaj Allianz. Here you can run as a company, you can run different kind of images or videos which can help the employee of the distributor understand the app. Then all the information of the product like key features, day care procedures. Now you want to understand more in detail, a user can click on the I mark. 130 days. Then we have features, then exclusions like what is covered and what is not covered. Then you have premium calculations, like I can calculate the premium of this product. So all the products are integrated with the calculator. I select 2 adults and 3 childs. My age band is 51-55. My premium will come around 15,538. I can change and calculate again. Then all the documents required in order to make a deal with the customer, like a brochure or a policy wording and proposal form and any other document which is required to make or crack a deal with the customer, is available. So what we are doing here is we are providing a platform where a common structure can be followed for all the companies, and distributor can have a data in a very unique and common format which can be directly shared with the end user, which is very easy to understand the product in depth and close the deal. These brochures can be are downloadable as well as shareable. The download and sharing options can be controlled by the backend of the company. If I open any of the proposal form, right, so this is the proposal form of Bajaj Allianz. Then we have frequently asked questions about the product. Then we have about the insurer. Now I can also compare the two products of the similar subcategory. Let's say I want to compare the product of Bajaj with the Max Bupa Heartbeat. I can compare the two products, understand them in detail, understand their offerings, and based on my offering, I think Max Bupa products is best for me. I can click on Max Bupa. I can show the details of Bupa to the user. So in this way, we provide a great knowledge about the product to the employee of the distributor. Now, very important thing, a distributor employee is not only selling an insurance, he can also sell loans, other banking products, institutional products. So we have an option of account switching, like a user can switch his accounts between different domains he is working under in bank. It can be a loan or an insurance or institutional products or the banking products. So it is not only restricted to any single domain, it's a channel sales product which can work across multiple domains in a single app itself. The next part is the training module. In the training module, we have a very great training about the different products of the companies. Let's say if I click on health again, I'll get the list of trainings available under health. 6 companies are offering training in health. If I click on Bajaj Allianz, I can see these are the different trainings of Bajaj available under health. I click on personal premium personal guard. What this course include, what will I learn, description about the training and about the insurer. So everything has been explained here. Then I go to the video part. No video is available here. Then I go to the PDF part. Now I have to complete my PDF reading. Then I have to go under an assessment. So once you complete your reading of the PDFs like this, you have to go through all the things. Since it's a testing mode, I am just browsing it like this, but we have a lot of parametric constraint which makes sure that the training is done in a proper format. 50% is done. Then I go to the next one. I read everything in detail, complete my training. Now see, you can see the take quiz button is active. Now I'll participate in the test. Some instructions are there. I will read them and start the quiz. So I need to answer the question now. So I think there will be around 10 questions which I can answer. There is no limitation on that. A company can decide what number of questions they have to ask. Now I've given the test. I'll click on submit. My score is 20%. I got failed. Now why I got failed, I can click on view answers and view them. The first answer I was given was 150%, but the right answer was of 200. Similarly, the right answers and questions are shown to you. Also, there is an option of writing the remark or the explanation for the right answer, which a company wants, they can use it. So this is how we have a training where your training comprises of a video and the reading content. Post that, once your reading and content and video watching is done, you have to participate in an assessment, and based on the assessment you will be rewarded with certain points. Minimum passing percentage can be defined by the company. Here the passing percentage was 60. I scored 20. I got failed. I have to attempt the training for more 2 times. If I fail all the 3 times, then we block the user for the training and ask the user to visit the trainer for the F2F personal training. So these were the 2 important parts of the product and training in the app. The third important part I'm going to show you is the manpower. At the bottom footer, you can see home. There is a manpower button adjacent to it. If I click on manpower, now I have logged in as the central product team head. I see all the BBH, the 11 BBH of my bank under me. Their name, their designation, their branch name, their branch code. There is an option to call them. I can view them all under one screen. If I click on the RBB report, that's a retail branch banking report of Sanjeev Kumar, I can see in general insurance what kind of business they have done, and all the corporate agents, all the insurance companies are there: Argo, AXA, Allianz, Bupa, Apollo, Munich, total NLI business done. So RBB report of this Sanjeev Kumar is available. If I click on Vineet Arora, I'll get the report of Vineet Arora like this. So a detailed report. If I click on certification, then all the people under Sanjeev Kumar, their certification reports, how many are AV composite, how many are POSP general, and all, we can get a report like this. A different report for a different PBH. Then a renewal report, like what are the targets we have set for the renewals of the next 2-3 months. All the renewal reports are here. Like July and August, we have the target of, the line of businesses are given, the premium expected is given, the number of policies to be issued are given. So everything is provided under one platform. So the data has been taken in such a manner that irrespective of which domain company you are, your data has been taken in a single straightforward format, where the distributor employee can easily access the data and take action on. On a similar basis, I can also see the insurers associated with my branch. Let's say I am a person of branch XYZ. Now I want to see who all are my insurers counterparts. So I can just see them like this. Click on manpower. I get all the insurers. I can give them a call. I have the email ID, so I can directly communicate with them from here rather than going to any other place. So this is a very important part where the collaboration starts. The next part is performance. I want to evaluate my own performance. The performance which I've shown you under manpower was the specific BBH. Now the consolidated of all of them is my performance, which is this RBB report. Certification report. Total EV composite 3,249, SP composite 16,847 people, SP life POSP 4627. Renewal report July, August, September. Now there is an option of checking out the stories. Now if you want to promote anything, you can have the story section in place where you can show HDFC Ergo promotion or any other company you want to promote. HDFC, that is India's largest bank, India's number one bank. All these things can be shown in stories, where we can also highlight the success stories of the employees if they do wonders in the sales. Then we have cashless networks here in useful links. If we click on this, all the hospitals and garages or any other network of branch or any other item we need to highlight, we can show here. Like we can see out Max Bupa branches. Bupa is having following hospitals in these areas. If I search for the specific hospital in my pin code, see, these are the hospitals available here. I can share the details directly over the social media. I can directly give them a call. Similar basis, we have a garages, and we can have other modules also, like branch network or any other network you want to display in this network. We can have that. Then we have news. Then notifications. And then we have a support. If you're facing any query, I am facing query for let's say business related MIS issue, which company I am from. It's not here. Let's say I have Upskiller mobile app login issue. I can submit the directly feedback, and this will go to the backend team and they will respond here directly to you. This is a BVR feature. Since I am logged in as a different ID, I cannot show you this. I will show you this feature in the insurer app where it's very important, like whenever an insurance person does a meeting with the branch employee or the bank employee or a distributor employee, we record all the meetings in a standard format and accordingly generate the analysis which can be viewed by the business analysis team, and accordingly they can plan how to proceed further with the existing set of data. So we have an entire system in place where we are making sure that insurer employee and bank employee, that is a company employee and a distributor employee, work together, work on a similar kind of data, work in a similar kind of format, and have access to the same kind of data, so that we can get the desired result in the sales at the end of the month. So that's all from my side for the Upscaler distributor employee app. The next demo will be of the Upscaler insurer, that is company app. Thank you.